We'll guide you through how to fix your apps or games not opening in Windows 11. If you guys find this video to be helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel, ringing the bell icon and liking the video. Let's get on with it. So the first fix I have for you is basically going to your search bar over here and writing in command prompt. And as you can see, the command prompt system tool is right there. Right click it and run it as admin. Once you're here, you need to write in sfc /scan now. So sfc /scan now and hit enter. This will take a couple of seconds, but once it gets to 100%, you can just close this out. And then your apps may start working. However, if they don't, we can go on to the next step, which is basically pressing our Windows key and our R key to bring this pop-up. And over here, we need to write ws reset.exe. What it does is it clears out all the cache from Microsoft files that is stored on our computer, and we should go ahead and press OK. If your Microsoft store pops up, that means this method has worked and it has proven to be effective. However, if this problem is still persisting, we can move on to the next fix. The next step is we have to go to the registry editor. Just go to the registry editor, and before we start making any tweaks in the registry editor, I highly recommend backing everything up. So if something goes wrong, we can restore our computer back up to this point with the backup that we've created. So just hit on File, hit on Export, and then name it Backup if you wish. And I'm just personally going to save it on my desktop. Press Open, and then this is my desktop and the files on it. I'm going to press Save. Then we need to go into this HKey class root, open it up, expand it, and over here we're looking for a .exe file. Browse for it until you find it, and as you can see, it is right there, .exe. Click on it. Over here where it says default, double click it, and in the value data, it should be saying exe file as it does on the screen. If it is saying that, great. If it's not, you need to change it to that. Then press OK. Then just go ahead and expand the contents of this exe folder. Scroll down until you find the exe file folder. Click it open, click on the default once again, twice, and the value data should be saying application as it is on the screen. So everything is good. We can move on to finding the next folder, which is we need to expand this exe file. Then we need to expand the shell folder, and then over here it says open. Click this open folder and click on the default, and the value data should say nothing. Value not set, that means there's nothing in it, and that is exactly how it should be. If it's all done, we are good and we're good to back out. If this has still not worked for you, the next thing we should do is head over to our Windows PowerShell. So just in the search section, write Windows PowerShell and then run it as admin. Once you're here, we need to add in a specific command here, which I've got written in my notepad right here. I'll leave this command in the description of this video, so you can just copy it and then go into the Windows PowerShell and paste it right there. Once you're here, just paste it and run it. Then you can press enter, and this will run a whole command, which will take a bit of time to verify all the files and get everything in order. There will be a lot happening on the screen, so just wait for it to complete until it is, and then you can back out and everything should be working smoothly, we hope. If these fixes haven't proven to be effective for you, then we can move on to a few simple fixes which sometimes have helped people out in the past. So just simply open the search tab, go to date and time settings. Once in the date and time settings, make sure to set time zone automatically and turn this on. If it's grayed out for you, that's not a problem. Just click on this drop down and choose your time zone from here. Once you've done that, you can then go to the set time automatically option and make sure that's turned on too. And once again, if this is not grayed out, make sure it's automatic. If they ask you for your location services, just click on the location settings and turn these location services on for the time being. And then the next thing we should do is come back to the search bar here and write in graphic settings. Open up the graphic settings and press on this change default graphic settings option. Make sure the hardware accelerated GPU scheduling is turned off and the optimizations for windowed games is also turned off. The next thing we can do is head over to our Windows Update settings. Make sure to check for updates, and if there are any updates, you should probably give your device an update so it can patch any files that are broken and fix everything for you. If nothing helps you out, do consider uninstalling the problematic apps, reinstalling them, and perhaps even resetting your computer. If this has helped you out in any way, please leave a like on our video. That's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. Peace.